let's just say most of the time it's an ad. So you have the first ad where they see your photo and then, or video, and wherever they discover you. And then you have them landing, so they click through from the search results page, then you have them landing on the product page. Maybe they watch the video, maybe they look through all the photos, maybe they scroll down the A+, maybe they don't, right? Those are all different areas. But then you've got the customer reviews, you've got Amazon posts that might support it, all kinds of stuff there. But let's say that they buy, then you get a chance to touch them with an email from Amazon, depending on how you're navigating that, but usually some kind of touch point that says your item's on the way, or if you have any issues, let us know, or here's a free cookbook or ebook to go with it, or something like that. Then you have when the package, so they're opening it up traditionally in an Amazon box that then has your package inside of it. So it arrives outside, you see an Amazon box, but then inside of that is a chance to brand your product with its packaging. So there's a touch there. You could have something fun that's like engaging with them, bringing them to Amazon, or we just launched a product that has a free coloring book with a QR code or some stuff like that. And then you have a chance on the follow-up. Either they've got their purchase, did they love it, like that kind of, that review request or that touch there. Simply, that's how you avoid negative reviews, is simply saying, is there anything else we can do better? And if you're doing it really great, you have something in the packaging that brings them to your website or your social to engage so that you can follow up there.
Marknology.